Using Real Leads Finder Pro lets you easily automate all of your text messaging and email marketing campaigns, however short or long they may be. You could have drip campaigns as long as months out in advance, or you could have a special promotion campaign that only lasts a few days or a week, however long you need it to be. And it's easy to do using Real Leads Finder Pro automation. So here I've put together a very simple graph just to show you one of the things that you can do in terms of automating your email marketing. So you have a new lead, you can set it up so that an automated text message goes out to that lead, and then schedule the time. I could say tell the system wait an hour before a follow-up email is sent to that same lead. Then I can tell it, wait a day, 2 days, or maybe even a week before another email in the drip campaign that I've put together goes out. And then I'm telling it here, send out a text message just to let them know that I've emailed them. So there's a whole variety of ways that you can organize this. And there's no limit as to how many emails or text messages you can send with Real Leads Finder Pro. We're not into limiting your potential in any way, shape, or form. You may be thinking, so where am I going to get these email templates? Real Leads Finder provides you with real estate email templates right from the get-go. So let's go cover that. With your Real Leads Finder Pro account, you have access to a series of email templates that come with your account. You'll get the basic 30 emails, real estate. These are pre-written real estate email templates that you can easily customize for yourself. You can put your logo, your name, your company name, your contact info, and the text is already included. Here you can add the buttons. You can simply cut and paste your URL link. You can also edit what those buttons say right here. Search for homes, us. For instance, you can have it say anything you want, put any links that you want. What's your homework? Again, you can go back to your own specific website and schedule an appointment when you interconnect your Google Calendar, for instance, with Real Leads Finder Pro. This link will take them straight to your calendar where they can book an appointment to meet you at the office, or they can book an appointment for you to call them, the best time to call them and reach out. So, with your account, you get the basic 30 emails. That's 30 pre-written emails. You simply add your contact info, and it'll go to all the emails. You also get 20 bi-monthly newsletter drip campaigns. Again, these are already done for you. All you have to do is input your logo, your contact info, your links. You can even include a URL to your YouTube channel or video here, as shown here. Very easy to customize. You also get a buyer lead follow-up campaign. That's 10 templates. You get a Facebook lead follow-up. You get 10 templates with that. Let's take a look. Again, your logo, your name. It comes with the images, and it comes with the pre-written text, which you can easily customize. You add your own links here, your own buttons. You can change out the links, obviously, and change out the text. And this is really great for when someone contacts you via Facebook. You've got this whole thing all set up to keep tabs with them, to keep in contact, to encourage them to engage with you. We have a home buyer nurture campaign. You also get a blog template that you can use. See, now here you just add your links. You can replace this image easily. You can drop, say you have some blogs you'd like to include about selling your home, or videos, you can put those in there. Same thing with home financing, perhaps some lender information in there, lender programs that you'd like to highlight. For home buying, again, videos or blogs for home buyers. You can easily add or delete these sections. You see this little trash can here if I wanted to delete it. Same thing here if I wanted to delete it and just make it one, or if I wanted to delete the whole section, I can delete that here. I can also move these around. You see how my cursor turns into a plus there? That allows me to move things up and down quite easily. Okay, so one more thing I wanted to cover with you is how to keep your templates well organized. Well, what you can do is, you see here, these are folders that I've created. Folders that will hold all 30 emails related to that particular topic. Same thing, 20 emails contained in here. So I wanted to show just how quickly and easily you can create folders to hold your template. So now let's set up our own folder to put these two templates inside and keep everything organized. Creating a folder is very easy. Just go over here, where it says create folder. We're going to give the folder a name. In this case, we're going to call it Thanksgiving Day Pie Giveaway. Okay, so now all I have to do is go to the individual template. And right here under Actions, I'm going to click. And you can see, you can preview the template, you can share your template. Move to folder is what we're going to work on right here. So we're going to click that. I'm going to find me the folder that I need. There it is, Thanksgiving Day Pie Giveaway. And click move. Okay, I've got one more to do right here. So we're just going to go over here again, Actions, move to folder, select your folder, Thanksgiving Day Pie Giveaway, and move. And that's it. We're all done.